Hi everybody, it's Kim Peterson here of Uniquely Savvy, and I hope you're having a tremendous day. Say, listen, I just wanted to take a quick moment to introduce to you an upcoming opportunity of personal and professional development in case it's relevant and timely for you or someone you know. You see, I am a speaker, coach, and trainer, and I work with leaders and emerging leaders just like many of you who are ready to take your business to the next level and who don't want any more excuses. You see, I do this by equipping you through a process called authentic personal branding. And what that does is it helps differentiate yourself in a very crowded marketplace. So let me ask you a couple of questions to see if this might be a good fit for you. Are you someone who can speak with confidence and impact? Are you able to articulate your values so that people understand who you are, what you do, and how you can deliver results and serve them? Are you engaging with integrity in business and professionalism and a sense of self-awareness? Are you looking the part? Are you dressing for success in a way that articulates your value and reinforces your brand message? And most importantly, are you harnessing your unique genius, your unique skills and talents and abilities? Are you harnessing that so that you show up in a very clear, confident, focused, and empowered way, again, so that you're able to attract more of the right clients and the right opportunities to you? If you've answered no to any of those things, then listen in. This workshop might be just for you. You see, at this workshop, these are going to be your outcomes. You're going to create your authentic personal brand identity. Your identity, because when you know who you are, you're going to show up with confidence, but you're also going to know how to speak with confidence. You're also going to walk away with a cohesive elevator speech or positioning statement so that people can effectively understand and cohesively understand who you are and what you do and how you can help them. You will also learn customized style tips just for you so that you're dressing as a reflection of your brand story, which will not look like my brand story. It's all about uniquely you. Lastly, I'm going to give you tips and tools and strategies for how you can bring it all together so you can show up with consistency, with clarity, and with constancy, whether you're engaging online or off, networking or within corporate America. Now, when you do that, what you're doing is you're increasing trust between you and others, you're inspiring confidence, and you're able to increase your bottom line and achieve greater levels of success with greater ease. If this sounds like something that is right for you, I'm going to leave the link down below so that you can check it out, check out the details, so you can call me or email me with the questions that you have, and so that you can get started on authentically and holistically from the inside out, packaging and positioning you for better success with greater ease. Please, if money is the issue, then call me. Let's figure that out. Let's figure that out. Don't let a poverty mindset or a scarcity mindset be the thing that's getting in your way of moving forward. Again, my name is Kim Peterson of Uniquely Savvy, and I'm passionate about championing your confident breakthroughs in your personal brand, in your authentic identity, and your style from the inside out. Make it a great day, and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.